Hello, good afternoon. I'm really pleased to welcome all of you here in Berlin, and a very warm welcome to all of you who are joining us via the live stream. This is indeed our first time at IFA in Germany, and we are super excited about the news that we have to share with you today.
We have a lot going on when it comes to feature phones. This brings me to our first announcement of the day. Please meet the all-new Nokia 110. The Nokia 110 has all of the goodness of the 105, but on top of that, we've added a camera, music, and games. You can sideload up to 32 gigabytes of your favorite MP3 tunes, or you can plug in a headset, turning the Nokia 110 into an FM radio. The best part is that the playback time is 27 hours. We, of course, have the legendary Snake game. In addition to that, we've preloaded 4 try and buy games, including titles such as the Doodle Jump. The Nokia 110 will be available in mid-September. It comes in 3 colors. All of this entertainment will retail in key markets just for $20. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reinvented the classic flip phone. The classic Nokia 2720 flip is back, this time in 4G. On the outside, we have a 1.3-inch screen, so you can see notifications and who's calling you. Now on the inside, we have a huge 2.8-inch screen. The new Nokia 2720 comes with Google Assistant and all of the goodness that comes with the smart OS, including Facebook and WhatsApp. You can even create a hotspot and share your 4G connection. We've included a security key into the design. By pressing this key, the phone will automatically text and call 5 of the predefined contacts. So if anything unexpected happens, help is only 1 click away. The Nokia 2720 Flip has a battery life of 27 days. It will be available in a week's time at an average global retail price of just 89 euros. Please meet Nokia 800 Tough. The Nokia 800 Tough is the most durable Nokia phone ever made. We built it and tested it to military standards. I mean specifically the MIL STD 810G standard. These include pressure, temperature, rain, salt, humidity, sand, dust, immersion, vibration, and shock. We've also added anti-slip coating and rubberized edges to design. The Nokia 800 Tough comes with the longest standby time of any Nokia phone ever. It will last up to 43 days. Just like the 2720 Flip, the Nokia 800 Tough can also act as a 4G hotspot. The Nokia 800 Tough will be available in 2 colors. It will be available in early October at an average global retail price of 109 euros. Let's talk about smartphones. Why don't we start with the next generation Nokia 6? It's my distinct pleasure to introduce to you the all-new Nokia 6. The new Nokia 6 is a mid-range smartphone with the best-in-class viewing experience. It comes with an advanced triple camera setup with exclusive experiences, a timeless Nordic design with exclusive materials, and of course our signature promise of a 2-day battery life. The new Nokia 6 features a bright 500-nits 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen. It is further enhanced by our Pure Display technology. This elevates an LCD to a completely new level, even beating OLED in many use cases. We've partnered with our friends at Pixelworks to integrate a dedicated display processor that truly transforms your viewing experience. The first benefit is that we will automatically upscale any of your content, no matter what the media is that you're viewing, from SDR to HDR in real time. You get a beautiful 96% wide color gamut. On the front and on the back, you have Gorilla Glass gently curving and perfecting the design. We've selected a particularly sharp 16 megapixel primary camera paired with a depth camera for stunning bokeh effect and a 118-degree ultra-wide camera. The new Nokia 6 is capable of recording video in 4K Ultra HD with spatial recording, and it delivers a stunning low-light and portrait experience. The new Nokia 6 will ship in two colors, ceramic black and this beautiful ice. The new Nokia 6 will be available in October, starting at just 199 euros when it comes to average global retail price. I would like to introduce to you the headliner of the day. The new Nokia 7, elevating every experience. It features a segment-leading 48 megapixel triple camera solution with Zeiss optics. It features the same breathtaking display as the Nokia 6. The primary camera of the new Nokia 6 is a large half-an-inch 48 megapixel sensor with advanced quad-pinning technology, enabling us to combine up to 4 pixels to create one super sensitive one so that you can capture images even in challenging conditions. All of the cameras of the new Nokia 7 feature Zeiss optics. The 48 megapixel primary camera, the 118-degree wide-angle camera, the depth sensor, as well as the 20 megapixel front sensor with the same pixel pinning technology. For me, the key call out here is the portrait mode. We don't only blur the object on the background, we will also adjust the object on the front, giving you a natural, beautiful bokeh effect. Now, if you're in the dedicated night mode, we will fuse up to 20 images if the phone recognizes that it's on a tripod, and at least 8 to 10 images even in a handheld condition. Then we perform noise reduction, adjust the dynamic range, and remove any ghost images. This night mode works seamlessly with the ultra-wide camera too. Both new Nokia 6 and Nokia 7, of course, feature a dedicated Google Assistant key. We've introduced a new feature. It's called the Google Assistant Ambient Mode. What this does for you is 3 things. First of all, when you plug the device and it's charging, it transforms your screen into a digital photo frame. You can also control music or your smart home devices. And thirdly, it will show you all of the important notifications. The new Nokia 7 will ship in 3 colors: the cyan green, ice, and charcoal, all with our signature satin finish. It will be available at the end of September, starting at just 299 euros. We've introduced the true wireless Nokia earbuds last year, and today we're expanding our wireless earbuds family. Nokia Power Earbuds are joining our offering. We have combined the portable charging case with the earbuds so that you can recharge the earbuds 30 times, giving you 150 hours of playback with one charge of the case. The earbuds come with IPX7 rating, so you can take them for a swim, and you have one-touch access to Google Assistant. The Nokia Power Earbuds will be available in charcoal, light gray, and it will be available in October at just 79 euros. We have introduced 3 new Nokia feature phones. And the all-new Nokia 6 and Nokia 7, raising the bar on what you can expect in the mid-range with the best-in-class pure display screen, advanced triple camera imaging experiences, stunning designs inspired by our Nordic heritage, and the latest innovations on Android. Thank you so much for joining us today.